Hey guys, Brandon here with Exotic Cars 19 doing another one of these car washing videos. It's been a while. So this one's going to be a little bit different, using some new products and also just doing it on, well, I'm doing it on the C63 Edition 1. Featured on a couple of videos a month or so ago, but I said I was going to do a detailing video and haven't yet. So I'm also going to take this opportunity to, like I said, use some new products. I want to thank Max Shine for sending me out all this array of products to try to test out here. Just to go over all of it real quick, they got a couple of towels here for different kinds of drying and all that stuff, or buffing, and some are for detail sprays, waterless washes, all that good stuff. Then got a detailing apron, then we got a drying towel, some more microfiber towels, wheel brush, and then a tire brush as well. So these are all going to be very, very useful on the next wash, but I've determined that for this wash, I am just going to need what's on the left side. So we have a wash mitt, then we have a glass towel, that should help to mitigate some of the haziness and all that stuff. Then we have a different drying towel that's very, very absorbent. We have even a bigger wheel brush that I'm going to be using for these wheels because they are of larger spokes, so I could use the larger one just fine. What else? We also have this little silicone blade here. Put that upside down, but 12-inch silicone water blade. That's going to make it much more convenient to get rid of the water spots and all that stuff on the windshield and all the glass components and all that good stuff. Other than that, that is all the Max Shine stuff. If you are interested in any of that, I'll put a link in the description, so check them out. Again, thank you very much to the guys at Max Shine. Other than that, nothing else changed. Just again, using some gold class from Meguiar's, MTM Hydro Foam Cannon, a couple of buckets. This is a different wash mitt I'm going to use solely for the wheels. And then of course over here we have the electric power washer. This is a Blue Clean 1800 PSI. I will put a link in the description to where you guys can get this, or the 2000 PSI, any kind like that. But I've been using it forever. Pretty good value. Alright, so all done. The car looks pretty spick and span. Probably get some close-ups to show y'all, but just real quickly to talk about the products once more. I've got to say some of these products are really, really nice and high quality. Like the Microfiber Mitt is actually really, really soft and plush, and it's really two-sided when you have your hand in there, which is nice and definitive to tell when you're flipping over to the new side. So you're using a clean side, so you can use it twice, which with each visit to the bucket, if you know what I mean. So that's a really, really nice wash mitt. The drying towel is awesome. It like holds a lot of its own weight before you need to rinse it out, so it makes drying a lot easier. They don't really use the silicone blade a whole lot because the yellow towel, the drying towel, is just so good. The wheel brush makes life so much easier. So yeah, for the products I use really nicely. I can't wait to use some of the other ones for buffing and whatever other applications I will need from that. So back to the C63 though, that was a pretty easy wash. Just those tools made it quite a bit easier, the drying in particular with that towel. But yeah, so that's kind of the first wash on the matte car. Overall matte is actually pretty easy. It doesn't swirl, but any scratch that is there is kind of, you know, kind of screwed because you can't really buff it away. But you don't have to worry about swirl marks as much. You do on the yellow vinyl on this particular one. But other than that, you know, not too bad. You just don't want to use any waxes of any sort, or a wax and wash kind of thing. Or if you have any water spots on this, just go ahead and take care of that with a detail spray, again, as long as it doesn't have any wax or anything like that. Again, all the links in the description for the products used in this video, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.